Just do it. You videotaped that too, didn't you? Mom, just walk up to it and let him look. See, Mom, she's holding one. Yeah, she's got nectar.
Oh, I want to show them a bar that's long enough for you to take a picture.
Oh, he just shot Boo Boo.
Yes, he did.
He just crapped it. He letting it all out on everybody walking under there. Okay, Mom, go for it. I'm recording you now. Go. Come on, Mom. Mom, put your hand in front of him.
You're walking in bird doo-doo.
Mom, put your hand in front of him. Come on now. Last time I couldn't get it on tape. I can get it on tape now. Come on. Get on her hand. Oh my God, you guys are making me laugh. Get one off the tree. Oh, look, there he is right there. Come on, you guys. Look, go get, there he is right there. Come on. Nana is cracking me up. Come on, y'all. Okay, stand right here with Mommy. No. Justice. Miss Oz, you get over here right now. You don't want no one to hit you. You don't hit no bird.
He is nice.
We ain't got money for this zoo like that. Don't do it no more.
That's not the nice
Come
one.
on.
Try to bite me.
Hurry up before they... It's not the nice one. Just reach your hand under there and let them...
No, it's not. Maybe it's this one.
Mom, just come on. You don't do it no more. What is wrong with you?
He's not the nice
By the time you leave out of here, you're going to draw blood.
Don't say that.
Like that.
Oh, he's sitting. I need to go. Let's go. Come on, Kanaya.
Yeah. Kanaya just hit the bird off the tree limb.
Come on, Kevin.
See, she's holding one. I know, look. That is so cool. Sorry.
Can I hold your cup for 1 minute and let the bird go on me?
No, come on.
I'm going to hold it just
No. Just see if it'll go on my arm. No, just go. Go, y'all. My kids go now.
I just want to see.
No, come on. Don't bother other people.
Hold one.
No. You had your chance. Aw, look, Mom. They're kissing. Yeah, they're kissing. They're not siblings, y'all.
We can look.
Oh, look. They're laying down over here.
They're just cleaning the feathers.
Mom, hold one.
I would, but I can't find one.
They're not hard to...
Look, now, right there. See it?
Yeah. You gotta come this way. Come on, let's go record Nana because she's over here with the bird. I want to see you bite her again.
You don't want look. He's telling me that's not the right cup. Look.
Put them on you. I'm scared.
You're trying to make him get picture time. Come on. Let's go. We should have saved $1 for coming in here. Come on.
Mommy, wait for
John, don't go.
Come on.
Come on.